we are doing actually here the pipe welding, and for the root pass of this pipe welding, first there is need to be tacking first of all, because without the tacking, if you will do the welding, so during the welding it gets shrink and the gap will reduce. So that's why to further maintain the uniform gap during the welding, tacking is required here. So this is the pipe welding through the STT process in Lincoln. This is the patented process of Lincoln. STT is a surface tension transfer process mainly used for the root pass welding, also for the thin material welding to control the heat input and distortion. So we are actually doing this welding, pipe welding through the STT process by using the Power Wave machine S500. So you can see here the Power Wave S500. And you can also collect the data, the history of the weld data by using LW software. The welding parameters you can collect. So you can see here it is the all the settings here, the argon CO2 mixture, and this is the setting for the wire feed speed and the voltage setting. So during the process you can see the amperage also. So this is one of the advanced power source as the Power Wave S500, and this is the wire feeder is Power Feed 84 wire feeder. This is the shielding gas. On the shielding gas, through this gas hose, shielding gases are coming to protect the molten weld pool from atmospheric contamination. Oh, this is the gas regulator. Here you can control the gas flow rate with the help of this Harris regulators. So now we will do the welding, that is the pipe welding.